What is going on, everybody? My name is Connor McDonald and I'm here again with another IAC Go Visual tutorial. Today we're going to be giving you an overview of the shopping cart. As always, we're going to start on the IAC Go Visual homepage. In the top right hand corner, you'll see a link to your cart. You'll be able to see how many items are in your cart and the subtotal on the homepage. If you hover over this link, you'll be able to see a more detailed list of the products that are in your cart, and also you'll have the ability to go and view your cart. We're going to do that now. You'll then be taken to the shopping cart page. From here, you'll be able to ensure that all the information is correct before you proceed to checkout. Starting from the top, you'll have the ability to select your shipping address, shipping options, and then you'll be able to scroll down and view all the products that you currently have in your cart. From there, you'll be able to duplicate, save for later, edit, or remove any of the products that are currently in your cart. Once you've ensured that all of the information is correct, you'll then click the button Proceed to Checkout. We're going to cover the checkout phase in another video, so for now, this is what we have involved in the shopping cart process. If you have any other questions regarding the IAC Go Visual e-commerce platform, please be sure to check out the rest of our tutorial videos or contact us using the information provided below.